Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to pin an important folder to your taskbar in Windows 10. I want to pin download folder to taskbar. Right-click download folder. Click send to. Desktop create shortcut. Right-click folder shortcut. Click properties. Type Explorer. Click apply, OK. Right-click folder shortcut. Click properties. Click change icon. Type system32. /imagers.dll, press enter key. Select your favorite icon. Click OK. Click apply, OK. Simply drag this shortcut to taskbar. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.